Hey, what's up everybody? This is Olabo Mobile WizTech and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about these budget true wireless earbuds by Linpa World, which are called the T10 Pro. I will also be letting you know if I think they are worth buying. And I'll be jumping right in right after this. If you're interested in receiving more content like this, make sure you hit that subscribe and a notification bell button. That way you can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. Let's have a quick look at the box. Not a lot going on there. Simple as simple can be. As I mentioned before, it's the T10 Pro. All right, but it does say here, activate your 12-month warranty and exclusive gift. Register within 15 days after receiving your new product. Please visit now, blah, blah, blah. So you have this information here, but it does stay here to make sure you register this once you get it, or at least within 15 days. All right, so let's go ahead and get this open. Okay, let's peel this off. This is their exclusive gift. You get to join their discount club after you register. All right, and some more information there. It also comes with an extra pair of ear tips and your type A to micro USB charge cable. Of course, you have your manual. All right. And here's the charge case. Nice and light and small. You push this button here. Let's get a focus there. Yeah, you push this button to open up the case. And here are your earbuds. We'll look at them real quick. Decent size, not too bulky. Got to remove that film or plastic on here. These are rated IPX7. That means these earbuds can be immersed in 1 meter of water or 3 feet of water up to 30 minutes. And fully splash proof. So I do like that. So you're at the gym, you're wearing these, you're sweating like Patrick Ewing, shouldn't have any issues at all. These also take 1.5 hours, so 1.5 hours to charge, and you can get up to 8 hours of playtime. And with the case, you can get up to, I think it said 35 to 40 hours of playtime included with the case, you know, with charges and everything. So that's pretty cool. All right, so these do go in magnetically, as you can see, just goes right in. Do it again, get a better view. It just goes right in. So I do like that. You can also activate your voice assistant while wearing these. So I do like that. Now I'm not sure if there's a master or slave, if you can use them individually. You know, I'm going to put that to the test. And in fact, that's what I'm going to do right now. I didn't want to spend a lot of time in the manual for the time's sake of the video, as the manual is pretty much going to be the same thing about activating a voice assistant or how to play pause. It's going to be straightforward. Don't want to spend a lot of time on that. But what I want to do is go ahead and test and see how these sound. And also with the microphone that's built in, and see if it's clear and look for any lagging, because this does have Bluetooth 5.0, but I want to see if there's any lagging and just the quality overall. So let me do a quick listen and I'll be right back to let you know my thoughts. I've had my test listen with these and I want to give you my honest opinion. But first I will start with the things I do like. I do like the fact that these are very comfortable to wear and light. So you can wear these easily 8 hours or more a day and not be irritated. Again, they're very light and has that low-key stealth look to them, and you can easily get away with wearing these for many hours without any issues. Now, the other thing I like about these is when I was watching some YouTube videos and also on Netflix, and I also did a little bit of gaming, there was zero lag. Mobile gaming. I didn't do it on like a major console, but I did some mobile gaming and there was zero lag for sound. So I do like that. Now this you already know. I like the fact that these are rated IPX7. So if you're at the gym and you're sweating crazy or you're caught in the rain, you wouldn't have any issues with these. Another thing that I do like about the T10 Pro is that there's no slave or master with this. So if you wanted to use one, you can just put one in the case and leave the other one out. It doesn't matter which one it is. You can put the right one in, you can put the left one in. Regardless, it will still work. So I do like that. And I do like the battery life on this. Now, I haven't fully tested the battery life, but according to them, again, off of 1.5 hours, you can get up to 8 hours of use. And then with the case, you can get up to 35 to 40 hours. So I do like the battery life offering with these. Now, the other thing I do like is the fact that you can activate your voice assistant. Now, I thought this was touch sensitive, but these are actually clickers, as you can see there. But double pressing this will activate your voice assistant. So I do like that. Now let's talk about some of the things I wish there was improvement on. Now, the sound quality. The sound quality is above basic, just a little bit above basic. You don't get the heavy bass or anything like that. So you get more like a well-balanced sound. So if that's what you're looking for, then these will work for you just fine. But if you're looking for something that's going to get you immersed in the music, have that heavy, deep bass to it, then this is not going to do it for you. There's not zero bass, but it's just not as heavy as I would like it, in my opinion. All right. Now, as far as phone calls, when I made a couple calls, the other person mentioned I sound a little bit muffled, so it wasn't as clear. They can hear me, you can get away with making a phone call, having a conversation, but as far as clarity, it just wasn't as clear, at least from their end. All right, so those are the two major things that I wish there was improvement on. But all in all, these earbuds, if you're looking for something that's simple, something that's just going to get you by, if you just want to have something to work out with, something that you just want to have to take a walk or jog or make a quick phone call, these will work. So are they worth buying? It really depends on what you're looking for. I've, done my pros and cons with this. So based off of that, you can make your decision. But if you are interested in this, it is available on Amazon, and I will have a link posted in the description. Again, this is the Linpa World T10 Pro. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Also share and subscribe. I thank you for watching, and until next time, keep it mobile.